Hey, it's Yvan Sison, host of Startup REI Show, the number one real estate investing show for startup angel investors. Oh, it's right above me. Let me fix this right here. What if oh, there it is. Maybe that's right there. Okay. Anyway, just trying out new features here. I'm realizing that this right here, might just be a better feature, but I think the camera could be lowered. Perfect. As well as if I were to turn this on, I'd want to do interviews like this, trying out that feature. But a little story time for sure. I edited 47 clips out of 47 short form clips out of a 35-minute video yesterday, and it was a lot. Took me a total of 6 hours just to edit it, but I'm handling my own post production now. I'm telling you now that, well, yes, it is quite tedious. Here, let me see. Let me share my screen on the other side here. Oh, well, it is quite tedious. I was able to make 47 out of 47. Wrong one. Maybe this one. Yeah, 47 out of 47. I am so proud of myself. Starting from the bottom right here, right here, which, yeah, that one right there, which had 35 minutes of video time. And then you can see from here, this is one of the clips, 57 seconds, another one, 23 seconds, and that's help desk. But anyway, I just wanted to share that and then test out this right here. If I were to do a podcast, would it be better to do it like this? I don't necessarily have a story time, it's a story to tell, but I just wanted to document the journey as to what's been happening and stuff like that. Let's see. Other than that, I hope you have an amazing day and just wanted to test things out. Anyway, have a good one. Peace. You know, actually, there is one thing. If you're not having fun doing whatever you are doing, then why are you doing it? I mean, that's something I question to myself because I'm guilty of procrastinating this video editing stuff because it took me like more than 5 hours. I think it took me like 6 hours, which yeah, it's very tedious. But in the back of my mind, I'm realizing, what am I doing this for? And at the time yesterday, in the beginning, to start to actually show up was hard. But then as I got going, got the ball rolling, I actually enjoyed it. And I got into a huge momentum phase where I was like, you know what? At 30 out of 47, I'm going to keep going because I know I have the huge momentum now and I'll just keep going. And so that's exactly what I did. And I ended up finishing it. And then now it's to plan to post them on my social media channels like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, even Facebook, and really to gain more exposure of the podcast and to put my mission statement as lowering the barrier dash education, one accredited angel investor at a time. And then I think at the bottom of that, it would just say, here's a short clip, or I should say teaser, of our an episode or a podcast, Startup REI Show, the number one real estate investing show. And then, of course, the call to action would be to show. Let's see here. Let's do this one.
It was just part of my life since as long as I can remember. The fact that it was a natural thing to own real estate.
In that case, what's most attractive from like? I understand there's a unicorn concept of investing in startups, of like investing in like multiple startups in hopes that it would like 100x or 10x or 1000x even, right? But see, it's just
it was just part of my life since as
just a
long as
quick
I can
teaser.
remember. The fact that it was a natural.
Let's pause this, and then there's this one here. With real estate, it's more about what exactly?
So yeah, the startup world is very exciting because it is asymmetric, as you would say. The downside is fixed, the upside's unlimited.
Correct.
And that's what I love about startup investing. There is unlimited upside opportunity If you get a diversified basket of startups, let's
Mhm.
say, our fund too, that's going to have 75 startups, you're likely to get several that will have 100x, but on average, maybe half will fail and
Yeah.
half will have a 10x exit average. We don't know which. That's the fun of it. And within that average that are 10x that succeeds, some might only be
Correct.
3x and some might be 100x,
Right.
which is quite possible in today's world. We invest in
Mhm.
a startup at an early stage at, say, a 5 or 10 million valuation, and 5 years
Mhm.
later, it could be $1 billion company, and that's easily 100x return.
Yeah. Powerful
With real
stuff.
estate, it's more
And
about
then
what exactly.
it would have a call to action to say, hey, this is the next step and stuff like that. Like let's go to Instagram. I'm not ashamed at all of like documenting this journey because it's quite important. So as you can see on the top left here, that's the call to action at the last minute. But here's the second.
Focus on tech investing because before that, I've already started to dabble in some angel investing, and I
Right.
started to see that it's an amazing time. So when I to take a step back, when I finished, when I graduated from grad school around 91, um, I wanted to work in artificial intelligence,
Okay.
and it really just wasn't a good time for it. And I wound up getting into business. It was, time when defense industry was just being pared back dramatically,
Hmm.
and it was before the internet was cool.
Right.
It was kind of the dark ages of AI. There was very little being done, very little being done in tech in some way.
Boom. Boom. Boom.
And I
Look
wanted
at
to
that.
focus.
Oh, I'm so proud of that. I mean, like, that was a lot for me. I enjoyed it so much, like creating this stuff, being in my creative element usually happens in like the evenings. But yeah, this is my parents' computer. This is my parents' room. I might be using it more for my guest, but I need to fix up the background a little bit more. Any critique on that would be happily and greatly appreciated. And other than that, this camera is also theirs. My camera is wide angled. This one fits perfectly, actually. So, other than that, thank you for your time, and I really, really hope you have an amazing day. Anyway, this is Yvan Sison, host of Startup REI Show. Check out startupreishow.com. Oh, I updated a website too, so check it out, check it out, check it out. Anyway, I'm at the stream now.